Hello and welcome to College Composition Online. My name is Karen Bird and I'll be your instructor for the semester. While this may be an online course, the instruction and feedback that you receive is very much coming from a human-type person. This human-type person to be exact. All the lessons, readings, and assignments have been carefully selected to help you achieve your academic goals as well as meet the course competencies for this class. So that being said, I thought it might be kind of nice for you to know a little bit about the human-type person on the other side of the screen. So to let you know a little bit about myself, I have 2 degrees from ASU. Go Devils! My undergraduate degree is a Bachelor of Arts in Education, and I taught high school for 10 years. I completed my master's in English in December of 2014 and started adjuncting at the community colleges. I've been full-time here at Glendale Community College since the fall of 2017, and I absolutely love it. I think that we have some of the best students, instructors, and administrators in the whole state. Heck, the whole world. Heck, the whole universe, if you will. Go Gauchos! Other things to know about me. I am a huge nerd, if you can't tell, and I love wordplay and dad jokes. I have a slight caffeine addiction, so if you ever come to my office hours, you'll notice that my cup is never too far from reach. My favorite book is Wizard of Oz because I think that with perseverance, brains, heart, and courage, there's very little that we can't achieve. So my goal for all of you this semester is to further develop your composition, critical thinking, and critical reading skills to help you prepare for success in college-level academic writing and reading. I'd also like to develop your abilities to be an adaptable communicator. So before I sign off, I have a couple of helpful reminders. This is a composition course, so you need to be prepared to both read and write a substantial amount. Typically, the more you read, the better you'll write. Also, this is an online course, so you need to make sure that you log into Canvas on a regular basis. Lessons, readings, and assignments are due throughout the week, so 7 consecutive days without any activity is going to result in a withdrawal. I want each of you to be successful, so please, 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 please do not hesitate to reach out to me throughout the semester. Thanks for watching, and have a great semester.